Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how we create a community user in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what is community user. So the external people who have access to community are known as a community user. For example, partners and customers are the community user. So let's move and learn to create the community users in Salesforce. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So in Salesforce, a user of a community are always connected to the contact. Therefore, the first step to create a community user is to create a contact for the user. And then we have to manage it. So let's learn to create a contact first. You have to click on this app launcher. Then you have to search for the contacts. Next, you have to click on this new button if you want to create a new contact. Now you have to fill up all the necessary details. So here I select the salutation to Mr. Then I set the name as a first name as a Leo, the last name as a Park, and you always have to set the account name, otherwise you are not able to create a community user. So here I select the account name, and if you want to add additional thing you can add like address information or any other additional information, and after completing the information click on this save button. So with this we have learned to create the contact in Salesforce. Now make sure one thing before we proceed, you have to assign the role to the contact owner. So here the contact owner, you have to assign him any role. If you want to learn how to assign a role, please watch the video. The link is provided in the I button. So now we will move ahead and learn to create the community user. So in the Lightning board, we don't have any button for converting the contact to the community user. For this reason, we have to shift to the classic edition. For this, you have to click on your profile or an avatar. Here you have an option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. You have to click on this option, and from the recent items you can see your the contact name which you have created newly, that is Leo Park. Click on it, and here you can see that you have an option of a manage external user. Now click on this enable customer user option. Now fill up the details. Here you have to set the email, and you also have set to the username. Make sure the username is always unique. Then you have to select the user license. Here I select it to the customer community login. Then you have to select the profile. From here I select the help service community profile. And if you want to fill up the another details, you can fill up, or after filling all the details you have to click on this save button, and here it will show you the message. It will send you the welcome email. So click on OK, and here you can see that it successfully convert the contact to a community user. So as it said email to the community user, now let's see the community user email. So here I open the email of the community user. You can see that it will receive an email. Click on it. So here this is the welcome email. Now click on this link. The link will take you to the page where you have to change the password. So now create a password. Then you have to fill a new password, and you can change your password, and you can successfully log into the community to whom you are assigned. So this view is only visible to the community user. So when the community user open his or her email, he will get a link for the welcome, and when he click on the welcome link, he will change her password and successfully log into the community. So with this we have learned to create a community user in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. So thanking you for watching and have a great day.